Welcome back to the mother freaking channel, y'all. I am back with another video. As y'all see, the braid down is in, so y'all already know what type of video your girl about to get into. I'm going to be trying out this Amazon wig. It's a 30-inch. It's a human, it's 100% human hair, and I'll also put it on the screen right here. It's just an HD lace, and yeah, we're gonna see how it do. I'm gonna show y'all the wig right now. So I've already did some pre-plucking, y'all. I like to kind of have a really good hairline. I could probably go in some more, just a little bit, but as y'all see, majority of it has been pre-plucked, and I did some touching up on it last night because I really need the curls to drop for this video. So and if y'all asking why this isn't curled, because I'm gonna be doing so much maintenance in the front, I don't really do nothing to the frontal part. I just do it to the back. But yeah, so I'm excited, and yeah, let's get into this video, y'all. good. I'm really excited on how it's turned out so far. I'm gonna clean my hairline one more time with some alcohol real quick, and I set under the dryer for like 5 minutes just to make sure like the glue dried up completely for the first layer. You always want your first layer to dry completely. Okay, y'all already done watched me put the little color on. I do the spray closer to the ends because the roots are a lot thicker back there, so I did the spray back here, and then I put my foundation towards the hairline so it don't be too brown. Then I fold it back, because when I fold it back, it gives me time to just put the glue on, bring it forward. So let's go ahead and start applying this glue, and y'all gonna see me do what I do. As I'm putting it on, I'm doing it more on the lace, but I'm smudging it just a little bit off the lace. Just a little bit off the lace. Okay, so y'all, with this part, you kind of want to let it dry just a little bit so you don't have the whiteness showing. So I'm going to do it on full. Before I press it, I'm making sure it's where I want it before I press the hairline on the glue. My mini scissors and go through and cut my ears out for the wig. So y'all see how that piece of hair came out with it? This is why I don't do nothing to the frontal part. If I want to style my hair before putting it on, I don't do nothing to the front part, because if I cut and I do my little cutting and stuff, it's gonna just basically come out the little curl pin. So just in case y'all were wondering why I did that. And I want to create a a natural hairline. So I'm not gonna go straight with scissors. I'm gonna take my razor and cut. Okay, y'all, so the baby hairs are done. Now all I'm gonna do is curl, do my makeup, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final look. I'm super proud of myself. I definitely wish I could learn baby hairs just a little bit better, y'all. This is also just my second install on myself, so honestly I feel like I'm doing really good and I'm getting super duper better. So I'm gonna come back to y'all once the final curls are in and dropped and my makeup is done. Okay, so y'all, the makeup is done. I'm going to put the makeup artist here on the screen. So now that the makeup is done and everything, now I'm going to take the clips all out and y'all are just gonna see me do that. y'all, well, this is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys, thank you if you made it this far. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. If I skipped out on something that you wanted to see, please let me know, and I'll make another content video on me breaking you guys down how I do this or how I do that. But other than that, y'all, I really love it. The quality is amazing. Again, this Amazon wig is probably one of the best Amazon wigs I've ever had. Like, one of the best Amazon wigs I've ever had. This was an HD lace, y'all, and it's like, where the lace at? Because I don't see no lace. I see no lace. So I am super duper like satisfied with the way this wig came out. Like, great quality, y'all, and it feels amazing. If I knew that Amazon made wigs like this, I would have been stopped spending $900 on the wigs that I have bought back then. So definitely recommend y'all trying out this Amazon wig. It's really good, great quality, and I haven't had no shedding. It was really easy to bleach the knots and everything, and I didn't necessarily have to pluck the baby hair. I mean, you know, plug my hairline, but I just went on ahead and do it because I like it. I like to add my own little taste to my hairline. So it's really a ready installed wig for real. So guys, and no, this is not a sponsor. This is me actually buying an Amazon wig and actually just doing a content video on it. This has nothing to do with promotes, but I'm just letting y'all know that this is a really good wig. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, and it was really easy for me to install. And yeah, this is probably the second wig I've installed on myself, and I'm really proud of how it came out. If y'all haven't seen my other install video, make sure y'all go and click it. I'm gonna show it here on the screen. Make sure y'all go tap in, and if y'all watch, y'all gonna be able to tell a difference with how my install went last time and how it is going this time. So I'm actually making a lot of progress, so I'm really super duper proud of myself. Again, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go do that, and if you have not followed me on all of my social medias, make sure you do that as well. But yeah, y'all give this video a thumbs up, talk to me in the comments. Love you guys, bye. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing, all of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it, it's so embarrassing, all of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see, I'm blind. Calm down, she could be yours, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never sit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much.